Hi, we're working on Grade 3, Module 5, or fractions. Our page today is Ordering Fractions Input page. So let's look at our sentences. We can blank the size of 3 or more fractions by blanking them. We can compare the size of 3 or more fractions. So we can compare the size of 3 or more fractions by ordering them. We can put them in order from least to greatest or from greatest to least. You can use blank, blank, or a blank to order fractions. You can use models, number lines, or a fraction strip, which is what we have, to order fractions. Okay, so you can use models, number lines, or a fraction strip to order fractions. And in this case here, we have a fraction strip, which we need to label. So the top is going to be one whole, and then below it we have halves, and then thirds, and then fourths, one fourth, then fifths. What I like about a fraction strip is that it shows all of the fractions right next to each other. So it's easy, I think, to use. What you might not like about it is you might not have the fractions next to each other that you want. So that's kind of a bummer about it, but you can always use part of a fraction strip to do that. I'm on my eighths. Where are you? Okay, now I've got ninths. Remember, there's no sevenths on the fraction strip. Ninth, 1/10. I guess another drawback is it does take a while to make. There are also no 11ths. Okay, so your fraction strips should look like this now, all labeled. And now we can put these fractions in order. So let's see, 5/8. And what I'm going, oh, I can't color it in even. Okay, I'm just going to put my finger on 5/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little teal mark right here to show where 5/8 would be. I'm going to color this teal so I remember that's where that goes. Then 2/4, I'm going to pick another color. I'm going to color in 2/4 on it. Then 4/6 with another color. I'm going to use light blue. 2, 3, 4. Ooh, that's very close to 4/8. Just a little bit bigger, or 5/8. Another color for 3/8. See, this is, I got complicated. I have multiple 8s here, or I would have colored in the whole strip. But this works. Okay, and then one last color, I'll use yellows for 6/8. Okay, so now, because of my coloring, it's really easy to see which, the order of them. So if I'm working this way, first I run into 3/8, so that's my first number. The next number I would run into up here is 2/4, then 5/8, then 4/6, then 6/8. So I'm going to put those in order. So first I ran into 3/8, the red, then the magenta-y color, 2/4, then the teal, 5/8, then blue, 4/6, then yellow, 6/8. Okay? It can feel overwhelming at first. You have all of these fractions, they have different numerators. But if you take the time to draw it, it will be a lot easier for you. All right, it's time for that output page. I'll see you next time.